my dream, would you laugh at me if I told you my heart? Would you even care if I gave you the copy of the final draft of all of my works from all the years? If I'm going through life with a missing piece, even question God, did he forget about me? I feel like a bird living in a cage. I know how to fly, but I can't find the way. All my life I've been chasing this thing. Nothing else ever suited me. I've done and mastered this fake smile, but they say you're never too old to try. I just wanna sing my song. I just wanna be a star. I want the whole world to know my name, even if it's just for a minute. I could say that I did it, I conquered. Oh, that could have discouraged me, but you wouldn't let me ever give up on me. Life has a funny way of showing you who's in control of your destiny. All my life I've been chasing this thing. Nothing else ever suited me. I've learned and mastered this fake smile, but they say you're never too old to try. I just wanna sing my song. I just wanna be a star. I want the whole world to know my name, even if it's just for a minute. I could say that I did it. I conquered all you gave me to give a reason to be. Everybody's got a purpose, a reason to dream. I just gotta find the door that opens up for me. You can never live until you've been free. I just wanna sing my song. I just wanna be a star. I want the whole world to know my name, even if it's just for a minute. I could say that I did it, I conquered. Oh, if I told you my dreams, would you laugh at me?
Hey guys, my name is Triska Steele. Just wanted to give you a little bit of background about the song. The song came to me basically when I was with my partner Martin, and we were sitting wigging and talking about other songs in the music industry and listening to some songs that we had seen online. And you know, the lyrics came just basically saying that, you know, even though you have a dream that you haven't reached yet, you can reach it, and you're your own worst enemy. And it resonated with me because I've been trying to get in music for years, as long as I can remember. And you know, a lot of things happen in life. Life happens, you know, a lot of discouragement has happened. I ran up against a lot of walls, different things didn't work out. And you know, I just see how people are using social media to allow music to touch people. So that's what I decided to do. I hope this song reaches you and touches you the way that it touched me. Please like, share, continue to share with your friends. And you know, this is my testimony. This doesn't have to be about singing for you. It's any dream that you could have possibly ever thought about, or any gift that you have that you've never acted on. It's never too late. And you know, everything has its timing. A lot of times we want things to happen right then, and then when it doesn't, we're ready to give up. But I had to learn for myself that what God has for you, it is for you, and the timing is always right on time. So trust and believe. Don't give up on anything that God has given you a gift. And please, again, like and share. Thank you so much. Have a good one.